Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know. Anything we bring on the channel, it's got that heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is no different, guys, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Bityard. Now guys, as a reminder, Bityard is a digital assets trading platform focused on offering fast, easy, and safe contracts trading. The Singapore headquartered exchange is regulated and licensed in multiple leading markets around the world. An emphasis on simplicity and accessibility makes Bityard ideal for anyone looking to enter the derivatives market. I wanted to show you guys a video today by another fellow YouTuber called Bitcoin for Beginners. I've met him in person back at the Litecoin Summit in 2018, and he also did a video on Bityard that I think that was very well done. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for him as well, but check out his video.
Hey folks, I'm Kevin from Bitcoin for Beginners, and today I want to introduce you to Bityard, a cryptocurrency contracts exchange. Now, their whole goal is to take this complex process of trading crypto contracts and make it much simpler or lowering the barrier to entry. Now, in the rest of the sponsored video, I'm going to share with you some basics about this exchange, like where they're based, where they have their licenses, other major features, some promotions, a YouTube content creation contest, and also a live demo of me trying out their platform. So if you're curious to learn more, then please sit back, relax, and just keep on watching. Okay, so you may be wondering, what is a cryptocurrency contract, right? Well, this is kind of related to margin trading, where you can have a margin account and trade with leverage, like 10x leverage, all the way up to much more, like 100x, for example. So instead of buying and holding the underlying asset and really only being able to buy more or sell or hold, with contracts, you can enter a position that tracks the underlying asset's value, so you can profit when it's going up or when it's going down. So for example, if you don't have a Bitcoin's worth of fiat or USD, you can still trade as if you had a whole Bitcoin by using leverage. And that's what crypto contracts, or in that case, Bitcoin contracts, are all about. So a little bit more about Bityard. They are an exchange based in Singapore, and they've spent a lot of effort making sure that they've built an exchange that's safe, easy, and fast. Here is a list of all the different regulation and licenses that they've taken the time to register and gather. Singapore is where they're based. You can see the license number. Also registered with FinCEN in the US, Estonia, and Australia. So that's pretty awesome that they've taken the time to get these licenses rather than just taking a haphazard, like, we're just going to be decentralized approach, which can get them in a world of trouble later, as we've seen with several exchanges in the past couple of years. They've also made it really easy to start quickly. I know this for a fact because I was able to sign up in really fast, under a minute. And for those of you who like to trade on your mobile phone, they have apps on both the App Store and the Play Store. So I want to take a quick look. If you click the promotion, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can see all the different types of bonuses and rewards you can get for taking different actions, like registering an account, buying your phone, conducting a demo trade once. I've tried out a lot of these already. Also video contests. I'm going to share with you a little bit more about that at the end of the video, but you can see I already got my BYD tokens for registering. Another really cool part is if you click this daily mining, this kind of encourages people to log in daily because they give you small amounts of different coins on this virtual mountain, and if you click it, you can mine it per se. And this is just a really fun experience. I love doing that. And you can see all the different small amounts you've gathered over time. And in just a day, I've gotten roughly 50 cents in USDT, which is pretty awesome. I love this mountain interface and how you can come here and click. So that's like a small action, but one that's fun. Okay, so now since I'm already logged in, I'm going to click on this trade, and that brings you to this screen. You can see their interface, which is very simple. You have these choices, which is all the major cryptocurrencies. But right now I'm on BTC USD. You can see the current price, the change percentage, high, low values, and also 24-hour volume. And you can see line chart or 1 minute candlesticks, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and on and on. This is an interface that's pretty familiar with most of us traders, right? Before I show you how to place a trade, on this bottom you can switch between live version and also demo version, which will give you roughly 100,000 USDT. I already tried something out, that's why it's less right now. But this is super simple. There's so incredibly clear, right? Like how much leverage you want to use, 20, 30, 40. You can drag the slider and you can click buy or sell. I'm going to be on buy mode right now, going long on Bitcoin. You can increase your initial margin here and stop loss and take profit amounts. You can see the max loss is 63 USDT, profit is 210 USDT. Over in the settings right here, you can set your take profit ratio and stop loss ratio and have some other common options. So it gives me my initial margin, 70 USDT, fee 4 USDT roughly, and total amount, 74. And here's a description of the Bitcoin contract, right? That gives you all this information. You should definitely take a closer look when you're trading this yourself. And if you have any questions, I definitely encourage you to read their guides and their FAQ up here on the more section of their toolbar. So I'm ready to place a trade. Click buy, confirm. Boom, buy order submitted. You can see this right here, what I just placed, profit and loss, percentage, fee. It's in the positive now, and profit's less because of the fee so far, but if I wait and it goes higher, then we'll make quite a bit. And you can click on settings to change the take profit, stop loss amounts. And you can also close it if you want. Sell order submitted. Boom, there it closed. That's literally all there is to it. So if you are someone who's familiar with contract trading and want to try out this cool new exchange, Bityard, then I definitely encourage you to do so. If you're a beginner that wants to explore this area and get started, I definitely recommend this one too because of how simple you can see this entire process is in their entire UI. So lastly, I want to just show you a quick article about their YouTube content creation competition, and they're giving away a lot of money and prizes for anyone who has a YouTube channel and wants to make some content about Bityard. The top prize is almost 40,000 XRP for those Ripple lovers out there, but they have more than just a first place. I believe they have up to 26 winners in this competition, and there are terms and conditions, so definitely check out their website and their material more to learn that. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this dive into the Bityard exchange and learn a bit more and have another one to check out besides just BitMEX and Bybit and Deribit, for example. Let me know what your thoughts are about this, and if you would try something like this out, down in the comments below. This is Kevin. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys next time.
Great video from Kevin at Bitcoin for Beginners. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, guys. As I mentioned, I met him at the Litecoin Summit in 2018 in San Francisco. Really nice guy, and I liked his video that he did on Bityard. Had to show it off to you guys. Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang. Shout out to the Lambo Gang. Shout out to the Whale Gang. Shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me and drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto, out.